beautiful DIY. It's gonna be a sconce, y'all. We're making sconces today. So what we're gonna use is this flower foam, and we are going to use some command strips, scissors, and these are stirrers. I got these stirrers from Amazon, and I will link it in the description box for you all. And we're going to use this clear acrylic block. We're gonna use these lights. I got these from DD's, but you can get these from Amazon. I got these from a local store called DD's in Memphis, Tennessee. And we are going to use our crystal, beautiful crystal diamond wrap. Okay, so y'all, the first thing we're gonna do is take our, y'all can use a knife for this, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my scissors. And y'all know I don't measure, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get as close as I possibly can to an even cut. Okay, so you can use anything like tape or anything to go around here. I just didn't want it to melt too much when I put on the stirrers on there. So I'm just gonna use some of this diamond wrap, and this is some old diamond wrap that I had. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to cover the edges of the foam, this flower foam, floral foam, I'm sorry. Okay guys, so like I said, you don't have to use this because you will want to save product, but I didn't have, well, I do have tape, but I just didn't want to go and find it. So I'm just going to use this. It's not going to show, so you can actually use some clear tape or whatever you have. Okay, Glam fam, so we are going to hang these sconces up, and we're going to see how they look, y'all, hanging up. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how these beautiful sconces turned out. Y'all, I absolutely love them. I think they are so cute. They can go, I think they'll look good in a hallway, you know, going upstairs, and then you can, you know, elevate each one higher. I think that'll look cute. That's the idea I have in my head, y'all. But I do like the fact that these colors of the you know, the particular LED lights that I bought. I like the color because you can, you know, go in all these different colors and then they blink and stuff like that. So depending on the color of room that you're going to put these in, I think that they would go great in there. And like I said, hallway, oh, it'll look so super duper cute, y'all. So if you all like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this on God? Why you let me find her like this on God?